In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Outlook account. Creating your own Outlook account is an essential step if you want to send and receive emails, stay organized, and access a variety of Microsoft services like calendar tools and cloud storage. The process is simple, and in just a few minutes, you'll have your own professional email ready to use. To get started, open any web browser on your computer and head over to the Outlook website by typing outlook.com into the address bar, then press Enter. Once the page fully loads, look for the option that says Create One and click on it to begin the sign-up process. Next, you'll be asked to choose your new email address. Type in the name you'd like to use and then select your preferred email domain, either outlook.com or hotmail.com. Take a moment to choose something that's easy to remember and appropriate for your needs. When you're ready, click Next to continue. After that, you'll need to create a password for your account. Make sure it's strong and secure by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, while still being something you can remember. Once you've entered your password, click Next to proceed. You will then be asked to provide some basic personal details, such as your first and last name. Fill in the required fields accurately, then move on to the next screen. From there, you'll need to enter additional information, including your country or region and your date of birth. This helps personalize your account experience and adds an extra layer of security. At this point, you may be prompted to complete a quick verification step to confirm that you're a real user. Simply follow the instructions displayed on your screen to finish this part. Once all the required information has been completed and verified, your Outlook account will be successfully created. You'll be automatically signed in and taken directly to your inbox, where you can begin sending and receiving emails right away. As a helpful tip, spend a few moments exploring the Outlook interface so you can get comfortable with its features. You can customize your settings, update your profile, and organize your inbox to better suit your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.